how are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back to today's video. I'm literally very excited. Okay, you can see the excitement from my voice. You can see the excitement from my voice. You can hear the excitement from my voice. You can actually see the excitement on my face. Okay guys, so yeah, my God, what a blessing. What a blessing, guys. What a blessing. So this all here are the things that my mother-in-law brought for me, like sent for me, not brought for me because she didn't come. So she actually sent all of this for me, and I want to actually open it up right now. I'll actually not open it up. These things arrived yesterday night, and I've actually not opened them up. I just want to open them up with you guys so you guys can see that I have the best mother-in-law that a daughter-in-law could ever have. I am so grateful to Almighty God. She actually thinks about us. She thinks about all of her children. She doesn't have so much, she does not even have, but she actually gives us what she can labor for. Like my mother-in-law is actually a farmer. She literally farm rice, she farm cassava, she farm all of these grains, okay, and she makes sure that she actually constantly send us, you know, her farm produce. Like she surprises me every time. Like, guys, it's not all mothers can do that. Not even all mother-in-law can even do that. You guys know, because I've heard so many stories, I've seen so much, yeah, but I don't want to go into that. I want to actually give thanks to Almighty God for the mother-in-law that I have, okay, who constantly supply us, you know, with food. Like, food is actually very important right now, because going into the market, like, guys, you can literally use all the money that you've worked for just for food, okay? But I'm so happy, I'm so grateful. So I just want to open all of this up with you guys and show you what she actually sent for us. Guys, let me tell you one more thing before I go into opening it. Since I got married to my husband, I've actually not, you know, eaten foreign rice. I've actually been eating local rice, because the last time she actually was disturbing me a whole lot for me to come to the village and farm, so that I could, you know, have rice, you know, which I did. Like, I did, but I wasn't the one that actually was in the farm. Let me pick up Bernice. Bernice is shouting. Shouting, baby. How are you? Okay. So since Bernice is here, I would have to sit down. Don't cry. We want to do unboxing. Your grandma sent us something. Okay, guys. So this in here is oil. Like, it's actually organic. Will I say organic? Yes, let me say organic. Okay guys, so in here I have 20 liters of oil that she actually produced herself. Okay, now it's actually very hard, okay, to produce oil. I've actually seen how they produce oil. Okay, it's so hard to produce oil. So I kind of feel very grateful that she would make this much. and sent for us. And perceiving the smell of this oil, like you run down to my house to eat yam with this fresh oil. So 20 liters of oil, and in here is rice,
Another thing.
yeah, and some other stuff. So let me open it. This is a boiling rice. I think they didn't tie it very well. Just bring the knife. Okay, so she sent us this green peas, green beans. She sent us these green beans. The last time she sent it, I actually what? Akidi. So if you know what it is, this is akidi. The last time she sent it, I actually used it to make vegetable sauce. So in here also, she sent uba. There's no time my mother-in-law would send something that she would not put uba. She would definitely put uba. So I have akidi. Akidi. I said akidi. Akidi. Two nylon of it is still much. Yeah, and look at this one too. Not even two. Okay, she also sends this tiny garden egg that is usually bitter. We use it to mix akurahara. Come, sorry, it's okay. I say hi guys. And she carry on here. Oh yeah, see akurahara. Your grandmother sent this. You tell her thank you, yeah? So she sent this and uba inside. What's that? She sent us this. This is, what do they call it? What do they call it in English? Oh, mushroom. She sent us mushroom. Oh my goodness! I'm gonna be using it to cook. What do you people use it
We used to use it to cook soup.
What kind of soup?
We used to use it with a of soup.
Yeah, it's just like meat. You guys know mushroom.
I love it.
Yeah, I love it too. I love it to the moon and back. I love it to the moon and back. And it's plenty. Oh my goodness, go and show them. Go and show them close to the camera. She sent us mushroom. Oh my god, this is actually the first time she's sending us mushroom. And
it used to grow in our backyard.
Yeah. This is that bitter leaf that I used to buy. Utazi. I'm going to use it to cook this mushroom. I'm going to put mfi. I'm going to put fresh fish. I'm going to put... Oh my goodness, like you guys. Hey, I'm going to cook my mushroom soup. I'm going to put utazi. Hold on, don't tear it. She sent us utazi. I love to buy utazi in the market because I love the flavor, how bitter it tastes.
Okay.
You carry small down.
The seed of the stick of
The stick, yeah. Do they used to eat the stick?
Yes. Dry one. Okay, she dried.
She dried this one.
Yes. Grated and dried. Or it's cut and she cut.
Maybe it's actually those tiny ones. Wow. This is still mushroom.
This one is mushroom.
Yeah, this one is fresh mushroom. This one is dry mushroom. She dried this particular one, and this one is fresh one. Guys, it's been so long I ate mushroom. I'm gonna be eating mushroom. Oh my goodness, so excited, man. And then a boiled rice. Go and show them the boiled rice. Hold on, let me put your hand. Okay. Show them your boiled rice. What are you doing? Put it at the lens. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah, boiled rice. So this full one, yeah, is okay. This full bag, this particular bag that you're seeing is just rice that is in here. Baby, don't scatter it, so I'll wound you. Don't scatter anything here. Okay, so she actually sent some stuff for Grace, her daughter.
This one is pumpkin.
This one is pumpkin. Did she give us pumpkin? Okay, this one is the rest. She actually sent some stuff. Carry this one up. I can't carry it up. This one is rice.
Sounds good.
Yeah, this one is
This is very soft.
yeah. So this particular one here that you're seeing is gari. Stay like this so that I can see you. Open that one. Let's see what is in there. What's that? Okay. This, what do they call it? Palm kernel. She sent up to you palm kernel. Go and show them palm kernel seed. Go and show them. Yes, palm kernel. So the palm kernel seed. Alright, so is that what is inside? Is that what is inside there?
This one is another one. I think so.
It's okay. Beverly, come. Beverly, come.
Beverly, leave there.
Come. Let them see us. Carry out of that place. Carry her. Stay like this. Come and show them palm kernel. Show them this seed. Okay.
They use these people bag and send.
And then the very next one she sent for us is this big bag of gari. It's actually, excuse me, it's actually red gari. She processed this gari herself. Yeah. And then she actually, got some people who helped her in processing the gari, because she told us that she was going to get some people to help her go to the farm and then harvest the gari. Since my mother-in-law is actually a little age, not a little, like she's age, okay, so she cannot afford to do all of these things but only her. So she actually contracted some people, which we also paid those people to help her uproot the cassava, because uprooting the cassava is a whole lot of job. If you've actually seen where they are uprooting cassava, you need to have waste, good waste, to be able to uproot cassava from the ground. So they help her in uprooting it as she processed all of this. She sent us this big bag of gari, which is red gari, processed locally by herself. So this is how the gari is. Red gari. And this kind of gari is very good for drinking. Like, we literally soak it. Yep. Oh my goodness. I'm so blessed. Like, I'm so blessed. This my mother-in-law deserves a whole lot. a whole lot from me, from us, okay? Okay guys, so that is all of the things that she brought for us. I'm so grateful to Almighty God. Like, the most important thing here is that shift Beverly out of that place. The most important thing here is that, yeah, she actually does all of those things by herself. Like, processing it is not a play, it's not a joke. Yeah, not even selling it, processing all of these things is not a joke, it's not a joking matter. I pray that Almighty God will uplift her and hold her, keep her alive for us so we can spoil her a little more. Yeah, and then, yeah, Mother-in-law, thank you. I know she's not watching, so I'm just saying thank you. Like, we're so grateful. I'm gonna call her when my husband comes back. I'm gonna call her so we can extend our appreciation to her. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.